Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0617 indicates a high voltage condition in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit, specifically affecting the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This code is relevant to the powertrain control module, PCM functions, which manage critical engine operations and starter relay activations. When this code is detected, it's crucial to ensure that the designated components related to the starter cut relay are functioning properly. If a high voltage condition occurs, it may prevent the starter from operating correctly, leading to issues with the vehicle's starting system. Proper diagnosis involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to assess the conditions and parameters required for verifying this DTC. The steps outlined below will ensure a thorough check of the system's integrity and functionality. The starter cut relay is an integral component that controls the power supply to the starter motor based on signals from the PCM. Its role is to ensure that the engine can start only when it's safe to do so, preventing potential damage. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is typically located near the engine bay in Honda Accord vehicles. It receives data from various sensors and decides when to energize the starter cut relay. The relay circuit board is usually mounted near the PCM and connects various circuits, including the start diag line. When diagnosing DTC P0617, it's vital to check these components as they directly influence the voltage levels detected by the HDS, particularly under active conditions. Any malfunction in these parts can cause an anomalous voltage reading, leading to this specific diagnostic trouble code. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P0617. One possibility is that the PCM may output high voltage unintentionally due to a fault in its software or internal circuitry. A faulty relay circuit board can also contribute to the issue, as it may not handle voltage correctly, creating abnormal readings. Furthermore, a short in the wiring connecting the start diag line to power could cause excessive voltage to reach the relay system, leading to malfunction. It's crucial to explore each of these potential causes systematically, as it helps isolate the issue efficiently. Understanding these causes will allow for targeted troubleshooting, increasing the likelihood of accurately resolving the error. Additionally, verifying each component's integrity and function is essential when following the diagnostic steps. The symptoms associated with DTC P0617 can vary, but common indicators include the starter motor failing to engage when the ignition is turned on. This may manifest as a complete lack of response when attempting to start the vehicle. Additionally, the presence of related error codes in the PCM can inform the technician about potential underlying issues. Another related symptom may include unexpected engine stalling or the vehicle failing to start altogether. Observing these symptoms is vital, as it not only aids in diagnosing DTC P0617, but also highlights other possible electrical or mechanical problems within the starting system. Monitoring these symptoms can ensure a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's condition as diagnostics proceed. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0617 begins with turning the vehicle key to the on position without starting the engine. This action powers the vehicle's electronic systems and allows the HDS to establish communication. Next, it is essential to use the HDS to clear the existing DTC to reset the diagnostic memory. Once cleared, you will proceed to check specific parameter values associated with the starter cut relay. You will examine the current voltage conditions and threshold levels aiming for a measurement of 3.20 volts or higher. If the values are consistent with these thresholds, it's likely that the issue may have been intermittent. Understanding these parameters is crucial as it determines the system's current state and assists in subsequent troubleshooting steps. After evaluating the parameters, turn the vehicle key to the off position, locking the electronic systems. Next, you will need to safely remove the relay circuit board for inspection. This component is critical as it oversees the functioning of the starter cut relay. Testing the circuit board involves utilizing a multimeter to assess the integrity and connectivity of its components and connections. If the test indicates that the relay circuit board is functioning correctly, you may proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the circuit board is found defective, replacement is necessary to ensure proper operation of the starter cut relay and avoid further DTC occurrences. In this final step, you will begin by jumping the SCS or Serial Communication System line using the HDS to help diagnose potential issues. Ensure to wait for more than 1 minute after making the jump. Next, carefully disconnect the PCM connector A, which typically has a 50-pin configuration. This disconnection is crucial as it isolates the PCM from the circuit and allows for accurate voltage testing. With the vehicle still in the on mode, measure the voltage between test points, specifically between PCM connector A, pin number 19, and body ground. You're looking for a reading of about 0.1 volts or less. If this value is achieved, it indicates that the start diag wire is functioning properly. Otherwise, further investigations into wiring shorts are needed. Final repair verification is crucial following the completion of all necessary repairs related to DTC P0617. Begin by carefully rechecking all connections and circuit integrity to ensure everything has been correctly reassembled and secured. Once you feel confident in your repairs, use the HDS to confirm that successful diagnostics have been conducted without errors. If no new codes are present, clear any stored DTCs before proceeding to restart the vehicle. Drive under varying conditions to ensure that the issue has been resolved and that the starter cut relay operates properly without triggering new fault codes. This entire verification process is essential to ascertain that the fault has been adequately addressed, thereby ensuring vehicle reliability. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0617, regular preventive maintenance must be a priority. Start with periodic inspections of the starter cut relay and its connections to the circuit board and PCM. This ensures that no corrosion, dirt, or mechanical wear can impair their functionality. It's also advisable to keep the PCM updated with the latest software improvements, as updates often address potential faults and enhance system performance. Moreover, maintaining the integrity of all related wiring is essential, as frayed or damaged wires can lead to shorts, false readings, or intermittent failures. Engaging in these preventive efforts will help bolster the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's electrical systems, preventing complications in the future. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of DTC P0617 and the components involved is vital for effective troubleshooting and repair. By methodically following the outlined diagnostic steps, technicians can efficiently identify and rectify issues related to the starter cut relay. The significance of each component and step cannot be overstated, as they work synergistically to ensure the engine starts safely and reliably. Implementing preventive maintenance practices will enhance the performance of the starting system and reduce the likelihood of recurring fault codes. This knowledge not only empowers technicians to diagnose effectively, but also aids vehicle owners in maintaining their vehicles for optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.